Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Gogo Skhotheni recently lost her son. Guys, she lost her son yesterday, and it is just a sad day for Gogo Skhotheni because she already had a tattoo of her son. And so for those who don't know, Gogo Skhotheni, ever since she had her son, he has been living in hospital. He has been staying there, and they just go there to visit him because of his health issues. They have been taking him home to visit, but then he just stays in hospital, so that they can take good care of him. But yes guys, he lost his life yesterday, and it is such a sad day for Gogo Skhotheni and Umonde Shange, who was the father of the baby. As you can see, they just look the same, and they just look exactly the same. So this is a statement that was posted by Gogo Skhotheni on Facebook. It says, the official statement on the passing of Monde Junior Shange. The date is September 2nd, 2024. It is with profound sadness that the Motweneng and Shange families confirm the passing of Monde Junior Shange. Monde Junior Shange departed this life at 3 o'clock on Monday, September the 2nd, 2024 at Moederfontein Private Hospital. The families kindly request privacy as they navigate this deep, painful loss. We ask for your understanding and compassion in giving them the space they need during this difficult time of grieving. So guys, this is a statement that was released, to just let the people know that they have indeed lost their son. It is so sad, guys. Like, I'm sure she was looking forward to him coming back home, and being able to just stay with him at home, and so that he can bond with his other siblings. So may his beautiful soul rest in peace. May his beautiful soul rest in peace. We are with Gogo Skhotheni all the way. I'm just hoping that she will get better, and and still be the person that we know, the bubbly personality, the people's person. So yes guys, this is the news that we have for you today. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.